Welcome to 19th lecture of 12 maths. Today we continue properties of inverse trigonometric function. We already discussed in previous class properties of inverse trigonometric function of compound angle. Compound angle we already proved tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. If you write negative, then change the sign positive instead of negative and negative as a positive. Today we discuss about the compound angle of sine and cos. You already learned in class 11 sine A plus B equal to sine A into cos B plus cos A into sine B. If you take sine functions, you assume sine A, let sine A equal to x, A equal to sine inverse x, and sine B equal to y, B equal to sine inverse y. Now you go on formula of compound angles. A plus B equal to sine inverse sine A into cos B plus cos A into sine B. You put instead of A sine inverse x, instead of B sine inverse y equal to sine inverse sine A equal to x, cos B. If you suppose sine B equal to y, cos B equal to 1 minus y square. If you suppose sine A equal to x, cos A equal to 1 minus x square, and sine B equal to y. Similarly, you can prove sine inverse x minus sine inverse y equal to sine inverse x under root 1 minus y square minus 1 minus x square into y. Now we discuss on cos formula compound angle of cos. You already learned in previous class cos A plus B equal to cos A into cos B plus minus sine A into sine B. Let cos A equal to x, A equal to cos inverse x, and cos B equal to y, B equal to cos inverse y. You always think about this. If you take compound angle of the sine, then you assume sine A and sine B. If you take compound angle of cos, you assume cos A and cos B. Now you take the formula A plus B equal to cos inverse cos A into cos B minus sine A into sine B. A cos inverse x, B cos inverse y equal to cos inverse cos A equal to x, cos B equal to y minus sine A 1 minus x square because cos A equal to x, sine B equal to 1 minus y square because cos B equal to y. Similarly, if you prove cos inverse x minus cos inverse y equal to cos inverse xy plus under root 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square. Now you have proved tan, cos and sine. Now we discuss about the compound angles, multiple angles. We already discussed the compound angles. Now we discuss about the multiple angle. You already learned in previous class sine 2 theta equal to 2 sine theta into cos theta. Let sine theta equal to x, sine inverse x equal to theta. Sine theta, you can write the 2 theta equal to 2 sine inverse 2 sine theta into cos theta. 2 theta, instead of theta you write the sine inverse x, sine inverse 2 sine theta, 2x cos theta 1 minus x square. 2 sine inverse x equal to sine inverse 2x 1 minus x square. You write the sine 3 theta equal to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. You write, if in the same way you can prove 3 sine inverse x equal to sine inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Similarly, you take the multiple angle of the cosine formula. Cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Let cos theta equal to x, theta equal to cos inverse x. Now 2 theta equal to cos inverse 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 instead of theta cos inverse x equal to cos inverse 2x square minus 1. Similar way, cos 3 theta equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. You can write 3 cos inverse x equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. Now we discuss the multiple angle of the 10. Tan to theta equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Let tan theta equal to x equal to theta equal to tan inverse x. You can write the 2 theta equal to tan inverse. You take this formula, tan 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta 1 minus tan square theta. You transfer the tan 2 theta equal to this, so 2 theta equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x. 2 theta means 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 2x 1 minus x square. Similarly, you can take the formula of sin 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. You write this formula, 2 tan inverse x equal to sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. Similarly, cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. You write the 2 tan inverse x equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. You have to prove and verify all the trigonometric formula of the inverse trigonometric function. Some assumption of it, you also learn it. If in the form of a squared plus x squared, you assume x equal to a tan theta or x equal to a cot theta. If in the form of a squared minus x squared, you assume x equal to a cos theta or x a sin theta. In form of x squared minus a squared, x equal to a sec theta or x equal to a cosec theta. If your expression in form of a minus x, a plus x, you write the x equal to a cos 2 theta, or in form of a squared minus x squared by a squared plus x squared, then x equal to a squared, x squared equal to a squared cos 2 theta. You assume it, and these properties and assumptions be used in the solving of the problems. On next day we discuss about the problems of inverse trigonometric function. Thank you.